Hey, it's James Nicholson. I hope you're well. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make £1 million in sales in your business. What's the best route? What's the best strategy? So watch until the end because you don't want to miss out on all this super content. Now, I'm assuming if you're watching a video like this, you're probably a coach, consultant, entrepreneur, business owner, someone looking to start a business. All right? Well, if I am, then the chances are right now you're struggling to get leads, you're struggling to get sales, and probably struggling to get decent profits in your business as well. We've all been there. And I want to take you on a journey on this channel to show you it doesn't have to be that way, right? There are ways and means to get leads and sales using the internet, to be more effective in your marketing and to live a life of freedom. So if that sounds like something you want, while you're here, do make sure you smash the like button and subscribe and hit the bell notification. So quickly do that now before we jump into content. Now, I'm James Nicholson. As I said, I've been in business 17 years now. I've had all the ups and downs that you get as an entrepreneur and as a business owner. And along the way, I've discovered something very, very special, which I call my business accelerator methodology. Now, there's nothing special about me, but there is something very, very special about this methodology. And it helps business owners take cold leads and turn them into red hot buyers who buy from you again and again and again. There's no tricks or shenanigans. This is a real methodology that works for any type of business. In fact, we've got thousands of people that we've mentored over the recent years that have achieved similar results than I have too. Now, if you want to know more about that, the easiest way is just grab a free copy of my book. I'd love to gift that to you for watching this video. So I'll pop a link in the description of this video. Now, how do you get $1 million in sales? Well, most people really underestimate how difficult that actually can be, right? And when I meet new business owners, one thing that they try and do to stand out in the market and be different in the market is to go cheaper in the market. Well, that's a problem because when you're the cheapest in your marketplace, it can be really difficult to get the momentum to actually grow your business. And what you need to have in every sale that you get is some margin that you can take away some of the cash from that sale and reinvest it in marketing. Because to get $1 million in sales, you're not going to do it by word of mouth. You're not going to do it organically. You're not going to do it by hustling and hard work. You're going to need to invest in some marketing as well. So let's just break down different levels and how many sales you need to do in order to get $1 million in sales. Now, those of you that have a £50 product, you've got a lot of work there. You're going to need to sell 20,000 units of your product or service. That's a lot, right? Now, I meet coaches and consultants that want to charge £50 an hour, even cheaper, unfortunately, sometimes. That means you've got to work 20,000 hours to get $1 million in turnover. That's not profit. You've got costs that come out of that. That's a lot of work, right? That's just unrealistic. You're not going to work 20,000 hours. And even to ship and sell 20,000 products, that's so many people you've got to convince to buy. It's really, really hard. Now, if you sell something for 100, you're still got to sell 10,000 units, right? And that's a lot still. 200, you've got to sell 5,000 units, right? That's a hell of a lot of products to sell. 500 is 2,000 units. £1,000 gets more realistic. You've got to get 1,000 customers to get £1 million in sales. If you went 2,000, obviously you only need 500 customers at that point. So what can we learn from that? Well, what I want you to really take away from this video is you need to have some premium products in your business, right? I recently worked with a homeopathist that probably would have been in the £50 to £100 level. And that's a difficult level to be at. So we added some extra products in. We added some cheaper products, some books that she gives away to get more people into her list and to build that. But then we added more expensive products, like we added a digital course, which is all margin. We also added a retreat, which cost more than £1,000, right? So whatever business you're in, we can look at how can we add extra products and services in there. Think about Apple, right? They started with computers, then they went to iPods, then they went to iPads, then they went to iPhones, and they've got the Apple Watch, they've got the Apple TV. What else do they have? They have headphones and accessories. They also have Beats, which is the headphones, the expensive headphones that they bought. So they added additional products and services in. And when you can do that as a business owner, when you can increase the average customer value in your business, that is, my friend, where you're going to make significant profits. You're going to have more money to invest in marketing. That's going to bring more leads in. And when you know how to attract the right quality leads, they're going to spend more money with you. Your customers want this, right? Apple customers can't wait until they bring out other products and services. We often get hung up on the fact that we can't sell more stuff to people, but that's what they want. If they don't want it, they won't buy it, and that's no problem as well, right? But if you have additional products and services that you can add in, your business will thrive. And I challenge you to put your prices up as well, because you might lose a few clients, but you will gain more, and you'll be able to have more in investing in finding more of the people that will pay you what you're worth. Now, if you found this video useful, I'm sure you have, do give me a like. It's just there, right? Give me a like. Come on, help me out. That will get more people watching this video on YouTube. Please also subscribe to the channel and comment below. Let me know your thoughts on that. What do you sell? I'll give you personal feedback on every comment that's posted below. So do comment below and let me know all about yourself. And look, if you want to know my system, the Business Accelerator system, I don't know what I can do to convince you, but I'm giving you a free gift, right? There's no catch or shenanigans in that. Grab a free copy of Expert Mastery today. It is free. Right? I'll ship this to you in the next few days, and this will show you the proven 5-step system, the Business Accelerator methodology, and how you get from where you want to be to where you need to be really super successful in business. So do that now. I hope you found this useful. I'm James Nicholson, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye for now.